It was the small piece that had some information on it, and in this case, it was not that significant, but it would have signified the loss of our control over that information. I had nothing else I knew that I could do with it.
Fortunately, the judge receded from that position. This was not through any negotiations by Mr. Maston or on his behalf, and he has accepted the finding of the court that he is in contempt for failing to turn over information that he believes firmly and wholeheartedly that it is his duty to protect. There is a body of law that addresses certain things, and we're going to submit a memorandum indicating to the court that Mr. Maston understands what the law is.
It's unfortunate that it came to this because Chief Maston is well experienced. He's a 35-year police officer prior to being CrimeStopers, and he should know the law. As the director of CrimeStopers, he should know that the law requires all tips to be turned over. And in cases where there is danger to anybody who's revealing the tip, that those tips go to a judge for the judge to decide whether or not there is danger in turning over the tip. There's no question that the only evidence that was required in this case was what's contained in the tip, not the name of the person providing the tip. That's never been asked for.
Let me state clearly, she is right. There is a law. The interpretation on our part for CrimeStopers has always been that while the law may state that certain records are available to defense attorneys in the court and whatnot, we contend, against backed up statutorily, that the CrimeStopers tips and the information associated with them are not. And that's why now, as a 35-year law enforcement veteran and police chief, now I'm a guilty criminal. If you look at the case law, and if you look at, in fact, a very recent ruling in this area in Broward County, the court has found, and also the statute 119 provides, that it's not a public record. Whether it comes from an email, Pony Express, smoke signal, or whatever it is, it's not public record, and we're not going to give it up. If you have information on a crime, call CrimeStopers. You're going to get a reward, and listen clearly. You are going to remain anonymous.